I'm Gerard van Graan, business partner of PKF VGA, focusing on the non-audit side of the business. PKF VGA sees itself as a business partner, a fully fledged business partner of the small and medium enterprise. As such, we play a critical role in supplying our customers and our clients with the support they need to comply with the myriad of tax legislation, labor legislation, BEE, UIF, call it. We are there to support the client, not only to ensure compliance, but to make sure that the client stays ahead of their competitors. We pride ourselves on the fact that we are available to our clients, from partner level right down to the lowest level within the company. We understand that you want service. Each and every client typically has 3 to 4 staff members. That is the difference when you work with PKF VGA. Yeah, that's a very good question. I think the biggest blind spot for an SME is the lack of planning and long-term structuring of the business. Having been in the business for a long time, we understand the need for structuring and planning. I'll give you an example. Young people often don't have estate planning in place, and by the time they view it as important, they may be too late to make any changes from a structural point of view, resulting in higher taxes, higher estate duties, etc., impacting the very real people that they're trying to work and plan for in creating their wealth. We understand the needs of the SME from that perspective. When we started our business in the early 90s, it's exactly what we faced. We have the experience and the knowledge to help SMEs bridge that gap. Another blind spot is growth. Too little or too much growth can actually sink the ship. It critically impacts cash flow, and it's important that SMEs never have a blind spot for growth.